Alright guys, Dad of all trades, Adam here. It's a little quick impromptu video. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm up here in the attic and it's hot and I'm sweating. And I noticed some dripping coming from one of the eaves, and my AC unit here has got, whoa, a lot of water down in the pan. So I noticed that on the other side, someone's blown in insulation up here, or whatever it is. Looks like it's clogging the hole up, so I'm going to clear that up and hopefully it'll drain out. I mean, I'm sure that thing's running all the time, it's so hot. I also noticed a separation here. So, oh man. But anyways, it's nice and cool right here. So that's money getting wasted. So Jacob brought me some duct tape. We're going to fix that up too, so let's get to it. So here we go, guys. I don't know if you can see, but that's not supposed to be there. So this is insulation in here is the problem. People get sloppy, but the thing that happened to come up here, because if that rollins over, that's when you have wet ceilings. And I had a flood in my house not too long ago because of a pipe bust. Totally different thing, but water's water, and that sucks. So I'm gonna try to clear this clog up, which is, here's the stinking leak, nice and cool, but you could see the pipe runs into the pan and it's just full of insulation. So I've got to get over there and clear that out. So, and that's running over to my eave, which is then dripping out of my eave. So, which is what it's supposed to do, but see what I can do to get that cleared up. See if we can get this water drained. So getting over there is proving difficult. Let's try to go around that way. My kid brought me a bowl. I got some stuff in it. That stuff floating around right there is not wanting to come out. It just moves around like mush. Can't really pick it up. So this is why the problem is, that's the drain pipe to the pan. You can see the water sitting in the pan, which is what it's supposed to do. That insulation's not supposed to be in there. People get sloppy. They figure, oh, it's just a house or somebody else's house. Now here I am, a homeowner, sweating up here, just because somebody didn't do their job right. You can see the whole pan's jacked up. So let me try to clear some of this out. Hopefully it don't clog my little pipe up. And then we'll get back to you. I'm not happy. So now you can see the water is just running out, which is good. Means it's going where it's supposed to go. Every now and then you can see a little bit of flow. So let me try to clear it some more. And not to mention the spiders and who knows what's up here. But at least it's draining. Let me continue. And that right there is the pipe that just drains to my soffit. You can kind of see the water coming out of it. That's from the pan over here. I'm gonna lean this pan up a little bit on the far corner. Hopefully get it to drain a little more. Not let it build up so much. So I don't know if you can hear it running, but I can hear it running. Jacob said it's pouring out. He said, is it good or bad if it's pouring out? I said, it's good. He said, good, because it's pouring out. I'm like, well, good. It means it's draining. So I found this piece of foam or insulation. It was laying over there somewhere, you know, because that's how they roll or whatever. But I'm gonna see if I can wedge it under this corner here. This is the farthest corner away from the drain, because you can see it's still got plenty of water in it. They got them 2x4s sitting in there. I'm sure they didn't plan on half an inch of water sitting in there with it. So let me get this under here, see if I can get it lifted up a little bit. I don't even think it's going to lift the whole up, but it's not going to lift the whole AC unit anyways, which is kind of what it needs. So I'm going to do that and then see how much it helps. Well, I got a little bit of stuff under it. That's just a little splash there, here, piece of wire there. So I think it's draining more. I'm gonna go back to the other side, make sure it's still clear, and then we'll fix this hole. But I'm sure everybody said fix the hole, you're losing power, but I'm also sweating, so it feels good what little bit I get of it. I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm in here sweating. It's draining good without any wood wedges to really get some grade on it, whatever. That's as good as it's gonna get. Now we're gonna tape that hole up and get out of here because I'm sweating. I ain't even doing nothing. I'm not flexible. I'm all over the place. But shout out to my little flashlight here. Little stream light. I know. Don't even know what it is. It's hot. But this thing is awesome. So got clips both ways. So Jacob's back here to check on make sure I didn't fall out. So
I already think so.
yeah. But it's still draining good, so let me fix this hole and get out of here. So let's do some duct taping. Never actually used duct tape to fix ducts before. I'm assuming this is what this is actually for. If not, I'm gonna have a chromed out air conditioner. And this stuff is alright guys, I think we got it all fixed up. I'm going to double check it again, make sure I got all that insulation clear so that thing will drain out. But I don't know if it'll help anybody, maybe just a public service announcement to go check that thing every now and then, make sure it's clear of all that insulation, make sure your ducts don't have a leak, because that's just power and
money going into my attic that nobody's using. So Lord knows it ain't growing on the tree out back. So just remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll keep videos coming. Thank you.